I feel like I did well. Just don't come too close.
Baby boy.
Baby boy, don't come too close. Okay, that hurts.
Let's make a deal, bitch, be for real.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl JoyAnn
On the beat.
Anyway, so let's get right into this video, okay? I'm gonna set my timer on my phone. Okay.
Ooh, you're
5 minutes. You always telling me that, bitch. My name's always cute. Okay, look, the timer's starting up.
Oh my god. I'm not ready. I wasn't ready.
You cheating. Come out. Okay. You know what, JoyAnn? 5 minutes is a long time. Just do your thing. I ain't got time to close back products. Okay. So right now I'm just priming my face.
Shit. With LA colors,
I'm using the camera as my mirror, and that's bad.
You're so wicked. You didn't even put out my color corrector for mine. You're not wicked.
Ew, this brush.
Dang, here's the other blade, bro.
Y'all, if y'all see anything in my teeth, it's okay. Alright? I have braces. I should be excused.
No, you're.
Okay. Whatever. Okay. So now, y'all already know the process. Oh shit. What am I doing? I done start wrong already. Fuck. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. I already start wrong, but it's okay. Trust and believe in the process.
I just did I put on my color corrector and then my primer.
My face about to look so crazy. You gotta be one step ahead of these bitches, you feel me?
Oh, please.
Let me tell you something. You ain't gotta cover back no products. It's okay. It's okay.
Damn, you not even seen it time out.
Oh shit. What the bird? That means the time up. You think you're smart?
Me?
2 minutes and 32.
What, man? Dang. Oh my goodness. I finna look like Michael Jackson today.
Okay, bitch.
You got this, baby. You got this.
I got this. 1 minute and 59
What?
seconds.
Dang. That time was lying. Shit.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Where's my shit?
Okay. Ah! 1 minute and 19 seconds.
Sally, your hat skip a bit. You thought I was finished.
Okay, time to contour. I'm winning. My face look like glory.
Unkept.
Girl, 54 seconds. What?
My contour.
JoyAnn. 36 seconds.
It's like the brush I'm using to contour, like contours like that. Highlighter.
20 seconds.
Dang. I'm never doing this again.
13 seconds. Oh, bitch, you look like a body. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But you look good.
Joy, you look horrible.
You didn't even set.
Check that. You look ashy. Look at yourself in my mirror.
I it's myself yet.
That looks so bad.
Looking like a snack.
No, you're not.
To be honest, yours not looking bad, you know. You're not even looking like you really have on makeup. Stop cheating. No, you gotta leave the end result.
Oh, okay.
Can't do that. Who you talking to? My face look matte, you feel me?
Your forehead don't have nothing on it.
Boo, my forehead do. You come close. Not
No.
too close.
No, go back a little
But
bit.
I feel like I did well. Just don't come too close.
Baby boy.
Baby boy, don't come too close. Okay, that hurts.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Zoom.
You guys can go ahead. Oh shit, look at my face, it look white. But it's okay, just don't raise your neck too high. It's okay. What's this? Somebody cut me on this side of my face.
with highlighter.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. This is our end result. You guys could go ahead and comment down below. You guys could go ahead and comment
Down below.
You guys could go ahead and comment down below who you think won this challenge. Honestly, I think it's me.
This girl.
Thank you. You did that. Honestly, I think I won.
I know I won. Just look at me. Look at you. You look like Michael Jackson right now. I'm looking like that.
Let me tell you something, B. Anyways, this is the finishing look. You feel me? Because I kind of think you win because my face look white. But it's
You know what I made you white? If you had one of these,
baby girl. Yeah, I think I need to
Baby
switch.
girl.
I have this banana thing, and the only way for me to put this on without looking white is by putting on that Fit Me thing, and I didn't take it. I tried to look for a mistake so bad, like shit. But anyway,
you're gonna hate baby girl. Like.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was the 5-minute makeup challenge, and yes, you can see we didn't cheat because y'all hear our timer go beep, 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 beep. We didn't cheat, okay? So yes, this is the end look. Go ahead and comment down below who you think won.
Let's make a deal, bitch, be for real. Here's you off a